Radioactive and thermal pollutants in water. Radioactivity is a physical type of environmental pollution which is caused by the increase in natural background radiation emerging from the activities of man. The sources of radioactive pollutants in water are use of radioactive materials in nuclear weapons, from nuclear power plants and nuclear reactors, mining and processing ores to produce radioisotopes, radioactive fallout from nuclear bombs, emission from the industrial use of nuclear energy, leakage from underground nuclear detonations, and use of radioisotopes in medicine, industry, agriculture, and other research operations. The major radio pollution in water is caused by uranium ore. Huge amounts of uranium ore are processed for extraction of uranium. Only a few grams are useful for uranium extraction, while large quantities of uranium tailings are produced which find their way into water. These radionuclides find access into the aquatic environment and they enter the eco-cycling processes and disrupts the metabolic pathways. Radium is the most significant waste product and is hazard in drinking water. Marine organisms have the capacity for accumulating radionuclides from water. This biomagnification causes objectionable radioactivity in living organisms. Phytoplanktons and fish concentrates metal radionuclides by factors of 10 raised to the power 2 to 10 raised to the power 5. The effect of radiopollutants in water are they cause injurious effects. They deposit on surface and groundwater. The water consumed by plants during photosynthesis acts as a medium for radioactivity in them. In living organisms, radiation produces a whole host of extremely hazardous species. The radioactive materials in water react with proteins of aquatic invertebrates and deactivates enzymes by breaking sulfur hydrogen bonds. As a result, enzyme inhibition occurs and cell growth may continue but cell division gets stopped. In aquatic animals, radiation damages cell membranes which are permeable in nature so that abnormal interchange of materials through an imperfect cell membrane results. Ionizing radiations in water also results in cellular damage. Traces of radioactive materials present in water causes cancer, leukemia, cataracts, DNA breakage, and carcinoma. Thermal pollution involves warming up of an aquatic ecosystem to the point where desirable organisms are adversely affected. Power plants which are fired by coal or electric power plants, chemical industries as well as nuclear energy plants, all these plants discharge the heated effluents into nearby water streams. All these processes increase the temperature of water by 10 degrees centigrade to 15 degrees centigrade. A single 100 megawatt power plant uses 1/2 million gallons of cooling water per minute. The heated waters have a reduced amount of dissolved oxygen content which results into death of marine life. The effect of thermal pollutants on aquatic ecosystem is that the major effect is there is a reduction in dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen content is decreased in the warm water. Normal biological reduction of dissolved oxygen level of the atmospherically unreplenished layer of water gives rise to anaerobic conditions leading to mortality of fishes. The increased temperature triggers deposition of eggs by harmful bacteria and other activities like nest building, spawning, hatching, and migration of the aquatic organisms gets disturbed by rising temperature. High temperature increases activities in aquatic animals, which exhausts them and shortens their life period. The speed of a chemical change is doubled for every 10 degrees centigrade rise in temperature. Some bacteria such as Chondrochus grows rapidly with rising water temperature. This bacteria is believed to be responsible for the massive killing of blue black salmon. Hot water permits the invasion of highly destructive organisms. A best example is the invasion of shipworms into New Jersey's Oyster Creek. Power plants require enormous amounts of steam water for cooling, so a large number of fish, plankton, and insect larvae gets sucked into the condenser along with the cooling water and get destroyed by thermal shock, water velocity, and pressure. Changes in algae population also occurs due to increased temperature of the water. Enriched nutrients and increased water temperature promotes blue-green algal blooms. Disruption of food chain occurs due to heated water effluents.